How does lab analysis help identify vet clinic parasites? Imagine trying to find a tiny creature hiding inside an animal without any clues. Lab analysis is like a detective's toolkit that helps veterinarians uncover these hidden parasites. Laboratory assistants in vet clinics play a key role in this process by preparing and examining samples, running tests, and supporting vets with accurate results. Parasites are organisms that live on or inside animals and can cause health issues. Common ones include worms, protozoa, and external parasites like ticks and fleas. To find these parasites, lab analysis uses different methods to examine samples such as feces, blood, skin scrapings, vomit, or tissue. One of the most common ways is fecal examination. Lab assistants prepare a small amount of feces and look at it under a microscope. They search for parasite eggs, cysts, or larvae. To make this easier, they often use a technique called centrifugal flotation. This involves spinning the sample in a special solution to separate parasite eggs from debris. This method is especially good for finding intestinal parasites like roundworms, hookworms, and whipworms. For parasites that live in the blood, like Babesia or hepatozoan, lab assistants prepare blood smears. They place a tiny drop of blood on a slide, stain it with special dyes, and examine it under a microscope. This helps them see if parasites are inside red blood cells. Sometimes, more advanced tests like enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay or polymerase chain reaction are used. These tests detect parasite antigens or DNA, especially when parasites are hard to find or during long-term infections. External parasites like ticks and fleas are often identified by direct examination. Lab assistants may collect these parasites and preserve them in alcohol for identification. Knowing what parasite it is helps vets decide the best treatment and prevention methods. Some parasites, like Tritrichomonas in cats, need special culture systems to keep the organisms alive for identification. Others, like lungworms, requiring techniques such as the Baermann method to find larvae in fecal samples. Serological tests are also used. These tests look for antibodies or antigens in the blood. They are helpful for diagnosing infections that are difficult to detect directly, such as heartworm disease. Accurate parasite identification is very important because it helps vets choose the right medication and prevent the spread of infection to other animals. Lab analysis is a vital part of veterinary care. It uses different techniques to detect and identify parasites, giving vets the information they need to treat animals effectively. Laboratory assistants help make sure samples are collected, processed, and examined correctly. This teamwork supports the health and happiness of animals in vet clinics.